Hello Talika students. Last time we have learned factorization and we've learned the method and we have solved quadratic equations by that method. Today we'll look at quadratic formula, or it's also called Sridharacharya's formula. This is basically a method to solve quadratic equations. Okay. So this formula has x means root. The root of a given equation is given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2l. And what are all these a, b and c? This ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This was the basic form of a quadratic equation. So a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So when we put the values in this formula, we get two roots. In the first root, we put here minus and calculate the value. In second root, we put here plus and calculate the value. Okay? And basically there are two conditions. If this is called the determinant, b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, this is greater than 0, then there are two different and real roots. Two real roots. Two different and real roots. If this is equal to 0, then we have two equal roots. If this is equal to 0, we have two equal roots. And if this value is smaller than 0, then we have no real roots. Then the roots are imaginary or complex numbers, which you'll learn in next classes. Okay? So first, now we'll find the roots of an equation. Okay? So we take an example. Find roots of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So we have here a quadratic equation, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 2, and c is 1 by 3. So this is a, this is b, and this is c. Okay? So firstly, we don't put it straightly into the formula. We first find the determinant. Okay? So the determinant is b square minus 4ac, or what is b? It's minus 2. Actually it's minus here. b is minus 2. So minus 2 square minus 4 into a, which is 3, into 1 by 3 c. This becomes 4 minus 4, which would be equal to 0. So here it's 0. So 0 meant equal and real roots. So the two roots of the equation would be equal and real. Now Now we'll put it in the formula. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. We'll put the values in the formula. Minus b minus 2 plus first step we calculate with plus, and with second step we calculate with minus. But as this is 0, as we earlier calculated, so both the values would be same, so we need not calculate. So this is basically 0, 2 into 8, 2 into 3, so this becomes 2 by 6, and the second root also becomes 2 by 6. So the roots of the equation are 2 by 6 and 2 by 6, which are both equal and real. Okay, so this is the rule of the formula basically. We take another example. 2x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 4x. Okay. First step is calculating determinant b square minus 4ac. So b is this, minus 4 square minus 4 into a 2 into c. This becomes 16. 4 2s are 8 minus 24, which in turn becomes minus 8. We have seen if the value of this determinant is less than 0, then there are no real roots. So after this, if this comes a negative number, so we need not calculate by the quadratic formula. So here the question ends. So this question will end here only. You will write here, there are no real roots of this equation. Okay. So students, these were the basic methods to solve by the quadratic formula. Now below this lecture you will get the exercise and you have to solve it.